Okay, I have this thought that the song "If You're Happy and You Know It, Clap Your Hands" is actually very discriminatory. It makes lots and lots of assumptions, which may not be the case, and therefore it may exclude some of its audience, some of its potential audience. Accordingly, I have written my own version of this, which I would like to share with you now. This is "If You're Happy and You Know It," the fully inclusive and non-assumptive version. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, assuming you have hands and the motor control and proprioception to clap them. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, though if you don't clap, it's not necessarily indicative of unhappiness, since you may not have understood, either because you don't speak English or you lack the mental capacity needed to process the chain of conditionals preceding the instructions. If you're happy and you know it, chances are you're human and over 2 years old, because great apes, elephants and dolphins are the only things which pass the famous yet contentious Mark test to investigate awareness of the self, a concept essential for detached analysis of one's own emotions, which is not to say that animals who fail it don't have a sense of self. After all, they may have poor eyesight, which the Mark test depends upon. It just means that to date, these are the only animals in which self-awareness has been indicated by scientific methods. And you really want to show it, you may, after all, be a non-social animal, such as a Siberian chipmunk, black rhinoceros, or giant California sea cucumber, and not have the desire to communicate anything other than basic signals of a territorial or sexual nature, at least not in the wild, and not to members of your own species. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.